Aerial Assassin Review. In today's review, I am going to review an info course through which you will learn the secret to real online growth with completely free traffic using foolproof methods. So this is basically an info course which will take you through Facebook basically, and how to create and how to get organic traffic straight away, and how to make sales. And this particular course has been put by my friends Saurabh Gopal and Bill Yang, who are good, who are killing it on the internet right now. And this course has been a very good course. I have gone through this course and it's really a wonderful course actually. And I will go through a complete review of what is inside this members area, and also will be telling you the positives and the negatives of this particular course, the Aerial Assassin. So make sure that you stay till the end of this video review, as I am going to be telling you about the upsells, the OTOs, and what is going to be offered to you. So that you can make an informed decision on what you're buying and what is right for you. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Prakash and I'm a digital affiliate marketer, and I make reviews like this. So make sure you hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button so that you get notified on all the latest internet software and info courses that I bring out from time to time. So at any time during the review, you want to take a look at the actual product itself, click the link in the description below, and that will take you to my bonus page so that you can grab the product. See, in a nutshell, Aerial Assassin, it will teach you how to leverage free traffic, make affiliate commissions by giving value using attraction marketing codes. So Aerial Assassin is newbie friendly, and definitely yes, anybody who's new can really can do this particular thing over here, can promote affiliate products directly. And if it sounds like something you're interested, just click the link in the description below. This link will bring you through to my bonus page, which looks something like this.
Hey, what is going, guys? Welcome to Aerial Assassin. My name is Bill Ang, and on behalf of my partner Saurabh, and we thank you again, for picking up Aerial Assassin, right? So in this module 2, I'm going to be talking about two things. So number one is going to be the strategy that we're going to incorporate for Aerial Assassin on how to build your own branding, how can you make organic high ticket sales, all right? And then the part 2 of this is going to be, well, the mindset module, which I feel is very important, and you guys should take a watch that video first before you look at the other trainings, all right? So without further ado, first and foremost, let me put out 3 pointers to you guys, alright? And that is number 1, take action, alright? None of this will work if you do not take consistent action. If you just think this is like a magic bullet, if you think this is a one push button, hack or trick, let me just stop you right here and ask for the refund, because what I'm about to teach you guys, it is something that is going to follow you for the long run, right? It's an evergreen strategy. It helps you in your make money online business. It helps you in your real life, right? Whatever you're doing right now, physically or maybe on the ground. It helps you both ways. It is just not like a strategy that you just apply online and it only work online. No, what I'm about to share with you guys is gonna work both ways, right? Both your online life and your offline life. That makes sense to you guys, okay? Now number 2, be consistent, okay? So things will not always go your way. You just have to understand, and it is very easily to feel discouraged, to feel that you're not getting any results, you are not progressing, you are not moving forward. I get it, guys, I get it. But if you are consistent and you follow everything that I'm about to share with you guys in the training below, you follow every step that you need to do, you are consistent, you take massive action, you will be able to build your own personal branding so quick, in fact, and way much more better than people that is that's avoiding all this, right? They're lazy, they just want to find a shortcut, they want to find the magic bullet, you know, those kind of people will never truly succeed, right? Because they're always taking shortcuts, they're always finding shortcuts, and they're not learning hard skills that is going to be that's going to follow them throughout. All right. Now, number 3, stay focused. All right. It is easy to get distracted. There's many shiny objects out there. You know, push this button, run for you, software. So many of those stuff is going to be always out in the market, and you will, alright, and I say you will be easily tempted to, you know, give it a shot and forgo all the training here, right guys? Now let me just firmly remind you, all these are important pointers that you guys must follow. You must stay focused and commit to the training, alright? Because if you guys are gonna commit to this and you guys are serious in making money online, I'll be there to help you guys, right? I have dropped my personal Facebook all because, you know, if you guys are in doubt, you guys are, you know, have some, you know, hey, I came across this software where you work, contact me, right? Contact me, because I'm here not just like, you know, from an affiliate, like a, you know, some affiliate. No, I'm here to guide you guys so that you guys can make money online and, you know, start slowly transitioning to the online life, right? Some of you guys, or maybe most of you guys, have a 9-to-5 job. You guys want to get out of 9-to-5 job, but you guys do not know how. You probably bought into a lot of courses, a lot of those done for you stuff, and none of them seems to work, and you're fed up, and hence you are here today. All right. Remember, stay focused, guys. Which is why my partner and I will drop our personal contact in training sessions so that we can guide you accordingly. Alright, so remember guys, before I move on to anything else, these 3 pointers is something that you guys will want to write down somewhere on your book, on your phone, somewhere that you can see every single day, right? Take massive action, be consistent, and ultimately stay focused. Alright, next, so now let's come over to the overview of Aero Assassin. So what is the Aero Assassin? Okay, right. So we are only gonna use Facebook as our main platform because Facebook is actually, you know, a very massive, what should I say? There's a lot of people on Facebook every single day. A lot of marketers are socializing on Facebook and making tons of money on Facebook. Okay, seriously, Facebook is not just for memes, you know, not just to, you know, post some family gathering. Yeah, for people that is, that people that doesn't understand the power of Facebook, they will just think of it as a it serves its purpose, right? Because Facebook is the aim is to connect people, and they are getting connected with their family and friends. But we as affiliates, we want to utilize this free platform to connect with our potential prospects, potential customers, potential leads, and build a long-term relationship that we can potentially monetize off. And that's how you see, you know, people are earning tons of money, 5 figures, 6 figures, using this exact business model. Okay, it's freaking powerful, right guys? So this strategy, it is completely organic, it's free, it's 100% free, no paid ads, no SEO, no funnels, none of that sort, right? And best of all, you can use Facebook to build your own personal branding and help you generate leads by providing value. Okay, because it is simple. You know, if you just approach someone and you throw them some links, they're going to be turned off. They're like, what the hell, man? Right? But if you provide value to people, and then your potential prospects say, hey, this guy or that guy is providing value, he's sharing tips for free. Wow, that guy is generous. Maybe I can, you know, seek him for his advice or his help. That is how you will be able to slowly, you know, establish this relationship and then potentially monetize them according to their needs. Alright? Moving forward, I'm going to talk about the strategy, right? So there's 5 main parts to this. So number 1, mindset, which I'm going to talk about it in the next video, right? Which, in my opinion, it is the most important because there is so many strategies out there, there's so many tactics out there, there's so many ways to make money online. But what truly differentiates people, or should I say the successful people, and to people that's always struggling is they have the right mindset to succeed. Okay, so to me, the mindset is very, very important, right? For any entrepreneur or solopreneur to succeed in any space, not just online, but any space. Okay, I'm going to talk about it more on the next video. Okay, now next we're going to talk about optimization, right? Because like I said in the previous slide, we're going to utilize Facebook to build your own personal branding. Okay, so what does that mean? Right, so simply to put, the optimization is going to talk more about how can you make your Facebook profile look more professional, right? So for example, no silly pictures, no cat pictures. Your banner could be something funny. None of that sort. We want to look professional. We want to look like somewhat of authority online, because no one is just gonna hand money over to someone that looks so childish, looks immature, looks shady. All of that's lucky, right? So we're gonna optimize your Facebook profile to look professional and look like somewhat of authority. That is how you will win the first step, because impression is important, right? If I just look, hey, this guy doesn't have a Facebook profile picture, this guy is using a cat picture, is he a real person? Is he someone I can trust? All of this negativity will sink into your potential prospects, your leads, and that's not gonna benefit you, right, guys? So in the optimization training, I'm gonna teach you guys on what you guys can do and how you guys can optimize your profile. Okay, now number 3, generating value to people. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, if you just were to randomly throw some links to people or your own affiliate link, nobody is gonna buy from you because you just look so shady, you look like a bot. But if you start by giving people first, right, giving people value, give free tips, some free hacks that's helping your daily life, your daily marketing strategy to people for free, people will say, hey, this guy is generous, this guy is being genuine, maybe I can trust him, maybe I can reach out to him for advice, maybe he can give me the solution to where I'm stuck right now, right? So I'm going to talk more about how can you guys give value to people, and how can you build this relationship, which is very important for your own personal branding, and from there you can monetize people. Alright, next it's gonna be the assassin secret. Alright, I can openly tell you guys right now, it is an open secret that many Facebook organic marketers, right, have been using to close multiple online deals. Alright, 5-figure earners, how are they? Sometimes you will ask, hey, how do those people make tons of money just by being on Facebook? In the assassin secret, I'm gonna go through in depth into this power pack, right? This power pack that I'm calling the assassin secret, that's gonna teach you guys on how can you find those leads, find those prospects, how to monetize. The monetization is the last one, but how to find them, where to find them, how to attract them, and why would they choose you and listen to you, right? All those will be taught over on the assassin secret. You guys do not want to skip in any order. Alright, let me just put it out there right now. Do not skip in any order. Go with the mindset, optimization, the ways to generate value to people, then jump onto the assassin secret, right? It is structured in this ascending way, or in this structure for a reason, right? I should probably change it to like Magma, but hey, I can't change the acronym to Magma. But yeah, do not skip the one-to-one finding again. Do not skip the sequence of this whole training, this whole strategy. Start the mindset optimization, generate value, and then the assassin secret. Because if you were to jump around, you will be confused and you will not see or realize the full potential of the training. Okay. Now, last but not least, it is the portion that, or I should say, the module that I know every single one of you guys will just want to jump on it. All right. But like I said earlier, if you guys skip the sequence, skip the order, even if you guys jump to the last module, the monetization, you guys will not know how or exactly know the reasons why you just can't monetize people online. Okay, So do not skip any order. Go with the number 1 to number 5. Go according, follow the order, follow the sequence, and that is how you can build your personal branding. Make money just by spending time on Facebook. A 100% proven strategy that's making myself and Sarab thousands of dollars for free, and we do not use any paid ads. No worries, no headaches over SEO, no funnels, none of that sort. Follow this strategy from step 1 to step 5, from module 1 to module 5, and we can assure you that you guys will establish a bigger branding for yourself and potentially make money organically, or specifically make high ticket sales organically. And we are going to talk about it more in depth in the following modules, so we will speak to you in the next video. Right, guys?
Yeah, when you click on my bonus page, the link in the description, you will come to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And all you have to do is scroll the bonus page down to this particular thing, and you're going to find these yellow buttons here. Just click on these yellow buttons, and these yellow buttons it will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. And just click on this button, buy now button here, and you can access this product. But this buy now button will be live as of 9 a.m. Eastern on the 5th of December. So the sales page, and you can get this product for around $12.95 US. So this is the product price, the front end price. So I don't want to miss on the bonuses. I put a lot of bonuses for you in this particular page, and I don't want you to miss the bonuses what I have put. And I've taken a lot of time to put these bonuses together for you. So kindly see this particular bonuses before I go into further this thing. So I'll just show you the bonus page now. I just want to take you to the bonuses what I put in for you. Bonus number 1 is FB ads secrets, because this product is an FB product, and this will be complementary to this particular course, info course. I put this first bonus, FB ad secrets. Number 2 is you're going to get guaranteed FB traffic using this method. If I put on a hack to get guaranteed FB traffic, so you get if you just go through this particular bonus, you will get a guaranteed traffic through FB through this method. So Facebook marketing hacks. So this is one more hack I've put. And this is a Facebook marketing. There are about 2 hacks here, very good hacks. So you can use this to do your Facebook marketing. And bonus number 4 is how to build a buyers list. See, with the Facebook, whatever you're doing, it's very important to have a buyers list. And in this particular course, I'll be teaching you how to build a buyers list using FB. So this is the bonuses what I put in for you. And bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. I go and access to all the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it to you, so that you can just get these bonuses also. So the bonuses are 5 premium bonuses what the vendor has given. Bonus number 1 is Instagram made simple. Bonus number 2 is a Fubo multiplier. Bonus number 3 is a secret weapon. Bonus number 4 is El Bandito, and bonus number 5 is the clones. So these are the bonuses you're getting, and all these bonuses along with my bonuses are 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end, which is just going to cost you around $12.95 US. To get these bonuses, all you need to do is scroll the link in the description below, and click the link in the description below. That will come to this page here, bonus page. You just click on these yellow buttons, and it will take you to the sales page where you can get it. So once you have done that, you simply go through the Warrior Plus account. You just have to make the payment, and after you make the payment, what will happen is you will come through to a page like this, which looks something like this. All you have to do is click the red button on the right hand side top corner, and you'll get a drop down menu which says purchase history. Click on the purchase history, then you'll come through a page like this, this is called a receipt page, and just click on this green button. You're going to get access to the product, and down below the green button is a blue button which says access your affiliate bonus. So there you can just get all these bonuses, whatever I've told you. All the affiliate bonuses, all the vendor bonuses are available in the members area, and all the bonuses what I have promised you will be here up for grabs. So let us go into the upsells, and I just want to tell you about the upsells. Upsell number 1 is the front-end upsell number Aerial Assassin Advanced at 37 US. So customers will find how to tap into 10 times more traffic in the same amount, and resell rights at $97. Coaching 101 per month is $27. I think it's a steal. So it's a downsell of $27. I think it's really worth it. So you can take this coaching one-on-one. It's a very good, and I know Bilang and Saurav Gopal, they are very experienced marketers, especially in this field. They have been there for quite some time now. So you can come and check these prices at your own time. If you want an overview about Aerial Assassin, there's a video on my bonus page. Let us go into the sales page, and let me have a quick look on the sales page here. The sales page here, he tells us now. 1 minute, I just want to go to the sales page. Learn the secret to real online growth. So are you still stuck? So he tells you really yes, making money online is not hard, but you need the exact blueprint. You need something to sell. You need traffic. So you need the right strategy. Watch over my shoulder as we show you how to make affiliate commissions without selling. So you will discover exactly how to get traffic flowing right away, so you can make money as soon as today. So copy an exact method and to learn affiliate commissions. This is what the sales page tells. And sales page, as usual guys, your normal testimonials and money back guarantee, all this. So it's a good thing for you to have a look at your own time. I just want to go into the members area and tell you about the members area. So the members area is very is really worth it. If I see there's a case study here telling us how to make this particular money on Facebook, and you got an overview strategy, the assassin's secret, which tells you the secret overview, what is your offer, who's your ideal customer, so where do they hang out. So it tells everything about the whole thing and how to really make some money online. So there's a 30-day accountability challenge here for you. You can just take this and do it. Then you got a case study I told you, which is it's a very good case study. I just gone through the case study, and here are the vendor bonuses for you. So this is in brief my review of Aerial Assassin, and to get all these bonuses, all you need to do is click the link in the description below. Go to my bonus page, and you can find the yellow button there, and you can just come out to the sales page and get a copy of this. So if you're watching this video, there's a 50% chance that you are not subscribed to the channel, and there's a 100% chance you can do it right now. If you can really subscribe to my channel and share and like this thing, so it'll be very nice, and I really appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching. Until my next review, goodbye.